Well, today we've got a hummingbird in the house. Poor guy. He's gonna get all tuckered out. He can't get out. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see, what do we do? How do you get a hummingbird out of the house?
Okay, so Tommy has caught the hummingbird in the play silk, Mia's play silk, and we're going to release the bird outside.
Ready? See him?
There you are, little buddy.
Here, let's put him right here.
Nice and gentle. There you go. You're safe.
Wow.
You're safe and beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh, he's scared. We won't hurt you.
So small.
Super tiny. Okay, you're free to go, little one.
Okay.
Oh, there he goes.